Hi, this is Architect Co Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a really nice old school Volvo 480S having a Pioneer retro, the SXT-C10PS. I'll jump in here, close the door. There we are. You can see it's a really nice, looks just the part in this car. We've adjusted the illumination to match the illumination of the car, green. This has got digital radio. We've put a splitter in so you get dab off the original electric aerial. It's got a USB feature, charge feature on there, on the front panel behind the what was the tape deck. We've got Spotify control, Bluetooth audio streaming, really good audio output. It's even got a front panel, pop-off front panel, just there that you can take off. If I show you that, there we are. You can hear the electric area go down. There we are. So that's the panel there. You can put it back on. It will automatically come back on again. There we are. It's got a nice positive volume control and all your presets. Obviously you've got phone conversation here as well, which we've mounted a mic just underneath here, out of the way. If you'd like to have this done in one of your classic cars, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.